what's up everybody? My name is Sam. I'm at Colton RV and Marine in Wingate, Pennsylvania, and I'm here showing you the 2026 Keystone Walkabout 22MAX. Let's start right here. It's got awesome storage space, super large, and it's even got a special spot for your fishing equipment. If you come right up to the front, it's also got a giant window, which we have covered to keep it nice and safe. It's got 2 propane tanks and power jacks right here. If you keep going, your storage is all the way walk through. And on this side, you have all of your equipment that you'll need to do your tanks, do your leveling, as well as an outdoor shower attachment. And if you like this one, her bigger sister's right next door. It's a 26MAX. Come on, let's go check out the other side. Right out here, you have a nice outdoor area to do some cooking and prepping. This is even a sink. And this whole piece comes off so you can store it when you're not using it. Take your best guess at what this is. It's a shoe dryer. Along in here is where your heat comes out. You can see it right back there. You have satellite, TV, power, another shower hose spot. On the back, you're prepped for a backup camera, as well as a fully walkable roof and your spare tire. Something else that's super cool to point out is your power is right here on the back, so no more worrying about whether you're parked on the right side or not. Last but not least, you have your endless hot water heater, and right below is your leveling. Let's go check out the inside. Like I said before, this is a 2026. This puppy's brand new. We even still have the packaging on the stools to keep them nice and safe. Right up here, you can use this as a workspace, and it even has an outlet right underneath for convenience. If you keep coming with me here, you have your beautiful couch right here, as well as an awesome skylight, so you can look right up and view the stars. You could sit with your significant other nice and close, or if you're having a bad day, put a little space between you two. If you come here in the kitchen, you have an awesome kitchen. You have your fridge and freezer, which is still powered on solar. You can tell it's nice and cold in here. Right here you have a bunch of prep space, as well as a hidden compartment for your spices. Hooks for pots and pans and anything you want to hang here. 2-burner stove and a convection microwave. Tons of storage space in here as well. Pots, pans, anything you want to put, really. Behind me is your sink. Super wide, super deep. It's awesome. And right there is a cutting board that doubles as storage space. It can be put right on here to make this more of a counter. Underneath here, more storage, as well as a bunch of different cabinets. If you take a look at the bathroom, super bright, lots of skylight, and it's even super tall. I'm 5'6", and I can still put my hands up here. Your bathroom, you have a vanity. Can open it. You even have an outlet here for any curling irons, straighteners, whatever you need, toothbrushes, razors. You come this way, you got your bed area. Imagine being somewhere beautiful and parked out and looking out that window. It's a good time. In here, you got storage space for your clothing, anything you want to hang on this side, as well as that side. And you have outlets right next to the bed for your charging and or CPAP or anything you need. So then coming this way, we have our control panel right here. All of these lights work on solar as well. If you keep walking, you have your dinette. Beautiful, awesome dinette space with a bunch of storage. Large cabinets here, as well as all here for anything you may need. It's even got a hidden cabinet right inside here. You got your TV in front of your couch. What more could you ask for? So thanks so much for taking this walkabout in the 2026 Keystone Walkabout. If you have any questions on this model, you can give me a ring at 610-863-5239, extension 819. Ask for Sam. Thanks. Have a great day.